Creating an event in EventKoi is much simpler than you think. Our standard events feature covers way more event types than you'd expect. Most people think that they need to use advanced features like recurring rules to set up conferences or multi-day events. But with EventKoi, you can actually set up multi-day and multiple start and end time events using just our standard events. In this video, I'll show you how to set up 3 different types of events in 3 increasing levels of complexity so that you'll know how to set up events for yourself. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently setting up multi-day events in seconds. We start off in EventKoi's events list, and we're going to add a new event. At level 1, this is our simplest event. Let's give it a name and an excerpt. Scrolling down, we can see standard event. Let's set a date, happening this Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. That was simple. Let's save draft and create a new event. So the next event is our level 2 event. This is our kids' weekend swimming camp. Again, this is a standard event, and it's slightly more complex because we're going to give it a whole weekend. So that's August 8th to August 9th. And instead of the start and end time, we're going to select all day. So this is happening the whole day from August 8 to August 9. So let's save draft. This might seem fast and easy right now, but later on I'll build out all of the events so that you can see how they each look in the calendar. And now we're going to create our most complex level 3 event. So this is our 3D printing conference, and it happens instead of a single date range, on multiple times and dates. So if we go into August, we're going to start out on Thursday, and it starts at 9 a.m. and it ends at 5 p.m. And the next date is Friday, starting at 10 a.m. and ending at 4 p.m. And lastly, on Saturday, it runs from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So most people think that creating a multi-day event with different start and end times would require recurring events. But with EventKoi, it's actually really simple and fast to do it with our standard events, and this reduces complexity as well. I've just finished filling out all the event details for each of the 3 events, and I've given each event the calendar YMCA events. So let's check out the YMCA events calendar and see how they all look. So our first event is at 9 a.m. and it's the Italian Kitchen Essentials event. So here you can see it's just showing up as a 9 a.m. event, one-off. The level 2 event is the weekend swimming camp. So you can see it's a solid orange bar going across Saturday and Sunday because it's an all-day event. And finally, with our level 3 event, it's 3 different days with 3 different start and end times. So you can see it on Thursday, starting from 9 to 5 p.m., on Friday, 10 to 4 p.m., and on Saturday, 9 to 12 p.m. And now you know how easy it is to set up multi-day events just using our standard events feature. In the next video, I'll be going through even more complex event setups using our recurring events feature. So stay tuned for the next one and subscribe.